Directorate of Criminal Investigation officers from Buruburu have arrested a man suspected to be behind the murder of Hellen Kwamboka, a police constable attached to Parliament buildings. The suspect was nabbed in his hideout at Swamtown near the Kenya-Uganda border after being trailed for almost a week. NTV's Hellen Kwamboka has more details.
30-year-old Eric Onyono Nyakundi's days of running have come to an end. He was arrested today attempting to flee the country. During the chase, the suspect had moved to his native home in Nyamira County, Kisii, Kisumu and Bungoma before his arrest. The officers managed to track his whereabouts through Helen Kwamboka's phone, which he was using. The key suspect has been on the run from 24th of May, the day when Kwamboka's body was found lying on her bed in Umoja Estate with a deep cut inflicted on her head. Police suspect that Kwamboka was first strangled before she was killed. Kwamboka last reported to work on May 23rd and left for home at around 7 p.m., the last she was seen in public. Eric, whose motive remains unknown, is now being moved to Nairobi to face charges on Monday. Kwamboka will be laid to rest at Kapomboi Village, Kitale, Trans Nzoia County on Friday, June 7th. Hellen Kwamboka, NTV.